Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's gonna be a little bit different. Actually, this whole week is gonna be a little bit different. It is the week of Thanksgiving. We celebrate here in the United States. While we don't agree with the origin, my family just likes to celebrate pretty much what we're thankful for, and I feel this year we have a lot to be thankful for. Despite everything that's been going on in the world in 2020, tons of hardships throughout the year, but in the end of the day, there's still so much to be thankful for. My family was fortunate enough to stay healthy, knock on wood, throughout this entire pandemic. Today, we're gonna talk about what my intentions are for Thanksgiving, which is this Thursday, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be cooking. It's just me and Jay. If you guys joined us on our live on Instagram the other day, it was a lot of fun, but we were pretty much talking about how our kids go spend Thanksgiving at their other parents' houses, and then they come to us at night on Thanksgiving night, and they kind of pick at leftovers, but they don't really eat dinner with us. So it's just me and Jay, and it's been that way for quite some time now. So I make a very small Thanksgiving dinner, and I thought I could show you what we're gonna make today, and then I could post another video this Friday of our Thanksgiving dinner and how everything turned out, and maybe me cooking. All right, let's go. And can we talk about my little leaf earrings? Aren't these cute? I'm not going anywhere because we don't go anywhere. But these were just kind of sitting in my earring drawer, and I was like feeling fancy. So they have a fall touch, a little bit of a fall touch. Okay, so we're in my kitchen, kind of. And I'm gonna show you everything that I plan on cooking. And I noticed I said, I just cook a small dinner for me and Jay. It doesn't look that small, but let's go. Okay, so here's everything that we're gonna get cooking on Thursday. Now, I could not find a turkey. Usually I try to get a small turkey, but this year they apparently have a shortage of small turkeys because, understandably so, everyone is going to be doing a smaller Thanksgiving this year. People are being encouraged not to travel or have a big Thanksgiving dinner. So the tiny turkeys were sold out. So this is an Amish chicken. It's a whole fryer chicken. $4 a pound is pretty pricey, but I hear Amish chickens are very, very good. They're raised with no hormones and, oh, here it is. Raised with no antibiotics or growth stimulants, no animal byproducts, no additional hormones. So I am going to prepare this with some just thick chopped onion in the bottom of a roasting pan, season it really, 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 really well, and cook this bad boy. I think this will be enough meat, obviously, for me and Jay for like the whole week. But we also have dogs, so we'll share some of this with them. And then what's Thanksgiving without some stuffing? Am I right? This is the only stuffing I like to use. It's the sage and onion brownberry. I grew up on it. My mom made it every year. So I kind of am partial to it. I can't do anything else. I use some roasted chicken broth as my base liquid. And then I also add in some sausage. Usually I get the sage sausage, and I'm forgetting the name of it, but they didn't have any. They were out. So I'm gonna use Bob Evans pork sausage. I use pork sausage with my stuffing, but I usually get the sage one, but it's okay. This has sage in it, and then I have some sage seasoning that I can use, so no big deal. And then I like to dice up, I have some leftover portobello mushrooms here, so I'll dice these up in there too. I know either you love them or you hate them. We love them. We got some biscuits, very simple. I'm gonna make some very simple box macaroni and cheese, and then I'm going to dice up this sweet potato. I like sweet potato. Jay does not. And he's also not a big fan of Brussels sprouts, but I love Brussels sprouts. So I'm going to dice up the sweet potato and sprinkle these on a baking sheet and just roast them for some veggies. And then I'm also making mashed potatoes. And I may throw on some broccoli because Jay loves broccoli, but I don't have any yet. I have to get some from the store. But that's it. I mean, it looks like a lot of food, but it'll last us all week, and the kids will pick at it. The kids also don't like turkey, so this will be a nice option for them for leftovers because they can actually have some, aside from Tia, who's a vegetarian, who can't have any of this. She'll have some mac and cheese and mashed potatoes. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Let's see what I'm gonna make for dessert. Okay, so I think it's gonna be a toss-up between these vanilla bean cupcakes, which look really, really good. I think I got these from Aldi, if y'all are interested, or these pumpkin cookie dough cookies. I love me some pumpkin, and Jay's not a big fan, but I've made these before and he liked them. So these are obviously a little bit more simple. This is a little bit more involved, but not really. I mean, with box mix, it's pretty simple. So I don't know. I was thinking you guys can leave below in the comments which one you would prefer. And since we like both of them, I'll pick a winner. How does that sound? Okay, I understand this was a very short video, but I just thought I'd show you guys what our plans are for Thanksgiving. I'm curious to know what your small Thanksgivings will look like this year, and I just thought that this was a fun video to make. I like to look back at these things and kind of have them for memories, so I thought I'd share them with you. And this is a fun opportunity to announce that I have intentions to start a cooking channel.
What? What?
What? What? What?
What? What? What?
What? What? What? What?
What?
What?
What?
What? What?
What?
Which is very exciting. I do enjoy cooking, and I said, you know, once I got to 10,000 subscribers that I would start another channel, and I didn't know what that was going to be. I didn't know if I wanted it to be more lifestyle, photography, or cooking. I'm excited about it. I have so many ideas for it, and that's going to be coming sometime next year. I'm not quite sure when. It's still in the works, and it takes a lot of work in my head, in my brain, to put together the thought process of starting another YouTube channel. Be patient with me, but it's something to look forward to, and I'm excited. And I'll definitely let you guys know like when to look out for that, and I'll hype it up on Instagram and all that stuff. I almost said Facebook. I will not hype it up on Facebook. That is it for this video. I wanted to mention one other thing. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the Potted Together YouTube channel. If you didn't already know, I have a podcast along with two other amazing human beings, Becca De La Plants, and Not Dude, Adam. And we just posted our first YouTube video over on our YouTube channel, Potted Together, this morning. So go check that out. Go show some love, subscribe. All right, guys, that's it. And I'll see you guys on Friday so you can see how our Thanksgiving dinner turned out. And please have a very happy and safe Thanksgiving. Bye, guys.